Hey, what's up guys? So here I have today is a Feyachi 9mm bore sight. Comes in a nice little case, very nice. So you can see it's Feyachi bore sight 9mm, 3 set of batteries. So nice little container, see here. So let's get it open. So there you go. You get your 9mm red dot, 3 sets of batteries, and your instructions on the top side. Tell you exactly danger, don't expose to direct eye, and it tell you exactly how to get it all set up, put the batteries and make it work. Quick instructions, all different size. This will be the 9mm. Okay, so this is it right here. Very nice, just like a 9mm. Battery goes on the top side. Your negative will be in the bottom, positive will be in top. Your batteries are packed up. Okay, so once you get it up open, these are your battery. There's a tablet. Put them in. And this is very good if you're trying to zero a red dot sight or a laser. And there you go. The laser is on. Put this down your barrel and you're good to go. Very, very nice. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my barrel real quick and show you guys how exactly it's gonna look.